chant again, seeking the Savior's hand. But freedom's price is steep, and promises they keep are written in the dust of forgotten lands. Echoes of the past, in the present they last. We're walking roads they said we'd never tread again. Rising up with hope, but blind to what we've lost. Can't you see the storm is just the same? In the 30s they cried out for strong men. Now they chant again, seeking the Savior's hand. But freedom's price is steep, and promises they keep are written in the dust of forgotten lands. Echoes of the past, in the present they last. We're walking roads they said we'd never tread again. Rising up with hope, but blind to what we've lost. Can't you see the storm is just the same? We've been here before, in a different age. Hearts full of fire, minds locked in a cage. If we don't learn from history's scars, we'll find ourselves lost in the same old wars. Echoes of the past,